This is what a gratitude genie looks like when she spent a day in the kitchen. I just put on the earrings for effect, but the goddess and I whipped up some baba ganoush, some bolognese sauce, and some baked bacon today. So I am so grateful to friends who invite me to stay and let me loose in their kitchen. So what are you grateful for today? Did you get up this morning? Did you join the Gratitude Genie Challenge? So did you wake up this morning thinking about 5 things that you love about yourself? 5 things you love about your work and 5 things you love about your future, and you get to check it off because when you join me for the Gratitude Genie Challenge, what you're going to do is you're going to learn how to wake up grateful every morning, no matter what's been going on in your life, no matter what you're cooking up. And so blessings to you. Join the challenge. I'll put the link in the description. And let's do this together because together it's more fun. And you know my motto, if it's not fun, I'm not doing it. But if I find myself doing it and it's not fun, I change my attitude. And if that doesn't work, then I change my location. So thanks for joining me. Let's all get genie together. Blessings, aho. And in case no one has told you so far today, you are amazing. Aho, namaste, bliss, and share your love. All right, have a fabulous rest of your day. Bye. Join the challenge.